Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold, and this is Gold Spot, and it is analysis for the coming week. Now, this will be from 25th to 29th of November, so it is just a 5 days market move on gold. So now in this analysis, I'll be pointing out the wave counts. As we see, we have the wave counts. Also, I'll be doing the trend lines, and also I'll be touching the support and resistance, and also we can read the and candlestick patterns now. So with the confluence of all these factors, so we'll be able to identify the possible direction of market now in the coming week. So now I'll be analysis from the monthly time frame, then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame is where I provide now those possible entries. Now the key levels are provided in 4-hour time frame, so make sure that you watch this video until the 4-hour time frame. So I'm in a monthly time frame, so let me quickly highlight those key things in monthly time frame. So now we see with this month, now the November month opened with a very stronger and beautiful bearish momentum, but now this week now price has pushed up strongly, so it has formed a very serious rejection from the downside. May indicate a possibility of correction, what I can say. So actually in lower time frames we'll understand exactly what is happening, but this does that our price is going to continue straight to the upside, so we can expect something, because here is to complete the fourth wave down here. So it still need to have some movement to the downside so that to complete this fourth wave. So I cannot suggest to say I cannot say we are going to go straight to the upside. So actually we are looking for completion of the fourth wave. Then quickly in weekly time frame, let us see what are the key highlights. Okay, so as I've said, now this week is the one that caused that rejection now in the monthly time frame. So you can see now this stronger bullish candle to the upside. So actually this is the one that has caused that rejection. Okay, but I'm saying that we are still looking down, and we expect this push to the upside to be correction, because you see this push here was just the beginning of the move to the downside. So this movement is correction of this push to the downside. So unless it break above this level, so it is when now we can start considering a possibility of continuation to the upside. But until to the moment, we still expect a further push to the downside up to this level down here in this lower channel in completion of the fourth wave. So that is the most possible thing in the coming week. So in lower time frames we'll understand exactly what is expected to happen. But now in most cases we're looking for this level here. So we didn't expect that this bullish candle is going to push beyond this level, but I see it is penetrating to the upside. So there's a possibility of now turning strongly to the downside immediate on the opening of the market. So I can say that. So okay, so let me go to daily time frame. And at the same time now in weekly time frame we see this divergence. So I can go back and show the divergence. If you look closely in weekly time frame, you can see there is divergence. This high, also we have this one. So you see this one is pushing strongly to the upside, but the momentum is fading out. In other ways, what I can say, so momentum is fading out while this one is gaining most of the power. So there's the overbought condition here, and previously it happened on April, so it has been some time since this was happened. So we expect that there might be a slight push to the downside before price continues to the upside. There will be push to the downside, and then later price will continue to the upside in completion of the fifth wave. So now in daily time frame, let me see what is happening. Okay, let me see what is happening in daily time frame. Let us see what is the possible thing. So actually we see now 5 days consecutively price was pushing to the upside. Now the whole week price has maintained the bullish momentum to the upside. Even if our previous analysis was focusing on buying gold, but it was impossible to catch some movements to the upside because corrections were very shallow. So actually this was hard to catch those push to the upside. So actually currently price is pushing to the upside, and actually we expected maybe price to reject at this level, but on Friday price broke the level and increased the bullish momentum. So the next stop is expected to be above this level here. So this is expected to be the next stop. So now in 4-hour time frame, we'll see now exactly what is possibly going to happen, but that is very, very important to consider in a daily time frame. And at the same time, now we have this trend line running all the way in this way. So we expect also price, if we penetrate slightly to the upside, it may stop at the level of this trend line. So that is the highlight in daily time frame. And finally, in 4-hour time frame, let us see what are the key highlights in 4-hour time frame. So yes, in 4-hour time frame, now what we see here is okay, so as usual, as I said previously, actually price is maintaining a push to the upside. You see, we had this level and we're expecting that price may stop at this level. So now it rejected several times, but the last hours of the week, actually price penetrated above the level. So if this level was broken, so we may expect the most significant level to stop will be this one, as explained in daily time frame. So now what is going to happen now next week? So we expect to see a slight push now in completion of the 5th wave. So currently whereby we have this as 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're expecting prices in completion of the 5th of the 5th to the upside. So we may see a slight push to the upside in completion of this 5th wave to the upside, and after this, and this will be wave A in higher degrees. So we may expect the price to push to the downside in a corrective mode, and also after correction to certain levels down here, so price will continue pushing to the upside without breaking the high. So we don't expect the price to break the all-time high. So it will be pushing in completion of wave C to the upside, and this push to the downside will be in wave B. So actually, how are you going to trade? You'll be watching for sells when the price is moving at 27.45. So this level up here. So you'll be watching for sells from this level. Or alternatively, you may wait for price to push up to these levels down here. This is pushing down and it has already broken this trend line and also has broken the support. So if price is trading below these two lines, and it will be now below 27.00, so you'll be also taking some sells here, and the target will be at the levels of 26.54. So it is now around this level down here, 26.54. It is around this level. So you'll be now taking those sells up to this level, and from here, if we clearly see prices moving to the downside in a corrective mode, so from here we may be looking for possible buys in wave C to the upside, and this is going to be very stronger. So that's how you're going to trade next week, and make sure that you do your own analysis and watch analysis from other traders. And also you can open your account at www.asamforex.com, because we release signals, so you'll be able to trade from these signals in our platform. Thank you and have a powerful weekend.